Manchester United and Ruben Amorim have reportedly rejected a deal with Amazon Prime worth up to £10 million for one of those all or nothing documentary series. And I get that sentiment honestly because with the current state of the club and the players getting, clowned on 24/7 on the internet. एक और इंटरेस्टिंग एस्पेक्ट है इस सिचुएशन में जो मैं वीडियो में मेंशन करना भूल गया, और वो है जो मनी इन्वॉल्व है उसका, क्योंकि वी ऑल नो हाउ ब्रोक वी आर राइट नाउ एंड you'd think that United, with their salary cuts in the last year and with them not funding the tickets for the staff members' families, you'd think that they would jump at the idea of a $14 million deal, right? But they said no, and it's not something to like get excited or like glaze Amorim over, but it is basic shit. So keeping our financial situation in mind, I think it is something that we did reject the deal, and I respect Amorim for that, but I won't go so far as to glaze him, because there is this sort of trope which United fans are prone to falling into, and that is that of the the strict coach, like the hard authoritarian coach. Like you remember जब Ten Hag starting में आया था, and he, after the Brentford game, he made all the players run or something as a punishment, and a lot of United fans, including me, were glazing him for that. So we can't fall for this strict disciplined coach trope again, and let's judge the manager on how the team performs. So yeah, it is a wise decision क्योंकि काफ़ी toxic हो सकता था, and like जो हमारी trajectory चल रही है, I don't think we're going to have that great of a season, honestly. And with the transfer window, like we are not signing a striker, and अगर हम करेंगे भी तो it won't be the top one or two options that we wanted at the start of the window. So yeah, like the educated guess would be that our season is not going to be as good as we would want. So yeah, I think it is a wise decision to not go through with this, like the shooting of the documentary, because like the players could end up getting clowned on more than they still are. And yeah, it is a distraction really. Like imagine the episode where we go to Anfield and we lose like 4-1 or something. So like that episode would be rated higher than like Ozymandias from Breaking Bad or something. Another side to this argument would be ki like rival fans and even us, who are so often critical of these players, we would get to view them as more like actual human beings, and not just statistics that wake up every day to perform for our expectations behind the TV screen. But like we've seen how these documentary goes, right? Like we all saw the Arsenal one. Like एक दो moments ऐसे निकल ही आ जाते हैं जिससे like you just get clowned on. तुम कितना भी अपना like struggle दिखा दो, you will get clowned on, right? And with United तो it is even more likely, and the scale will be a lot more, है ना? So yeah, I think it is a wise decision to not go through it. But me personally, मुझे तो देखना था कि रास्मस हॉयलैंड लाइक ड्रेसिंग रूम के किस कोने में बैठ के वो कैप्शंस टाइप करता है और कोई उसे रोकता कैसे नहीं है, और कोबी मेनू ड्रेसिंग रूम में कहाँ बैठ के वो अल्केमिस्ट का लेटेस्ट गाना ढूंढता है म्यूज़िक लाइब्रेरी में फॉर हिज अगले हफ्ते की एस्थेटिक फोटो डंप. All this after like a 2-0 loss to Bournemouth away, and Luke Shaw ऐसे बैकग्राउंड में लिम्प करते हुए उसको हॉस्पिटल वालों ने बोला होगा टहलने को or something. No, but seriously, like the players and the current state of this team, it could have given us some like genuine insight कि what is actually wrong with these players. Like are they not training hard, or is there that much of a lack of character in the dressing room? It would be a good insight, and it would even be more productive for us to watch them fight. कि like okay, like दिख रहा है कि हाँ they are disappointed, they are frustrated, है ना? Instead of these like defeated post match interviews कि like we're sorry to the fans and all. Like अगर हमें कुछ अंदर दिखे कि they are like genuinely frustrated, so that would help. But at the same time, rival fans would just eat that shit up, है ना, कि उनका तो हो जाएगा यार सीज़न भर का. So yeah, we did get robbed of some, absolute cinema, क्योंकि it is United. And imagine like after an Onana howler, कितने like dressing room में क्या माहौल होता, like we could have gotten to see that. But yeah, so tell me what you think in the comments.